Welcome to the countdown. Ready, 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 ready. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So many things to talk about, but I kind of have things to do. So I'm going to try to make this countdown as quick and snappy as possible, but hopefully you guys will hang in there and enjoy what I have to say. Also, by the way, Jesus Christ, me hear something about King and shit. I'm not even going to that pan, that countdown. It might be a countdown quickie or in the Dutty news, but yeah. Anyway, let's get into the top 10.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, how I me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Barbados free. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So it is official. Barbados has officially removed Queen Elizabeth II as its head of state and become the world's newest republic. In an overnight ceremony in the capital, Bridgetown, Dame Sandra Mason was sworn in as the president. Now, the Prince of Wales and Barbadian singer Rihanna attended the event, which coincided with the country's 55th anniversary of independence. Now, in a speech, Prince Charles acknowledge the appalling atrocity of slavery the Caribbean islands suffered, and the new era of Barbados ends Britain's centuries of influence, including more than 200 years when the island was a hub for the transatlantic slave trade. No, people, that wasn't the only thing that happened, because my friend, yeah, me and I talk all the time on FaceTime and them look at something there. Barbadian singer, international superstar Rihanna was appointed to the hero of Barbados. She is the country's 11th national hero, and boy, oh boy, that is a big deal. I can't even imagine like the weight of what that title, that must feel like the
Nice. On behalf of a grateful nation, but an even prouder people, we therefore present to you the designee for National Hero of Barbados, Ambassador Robin Rihanna Fenty. May you continue to shine like a diamond and bring honor to your nation by your words, by your actions, and to do credit wherever you shall go. God bless you, my dear. Thank you.
That has got to feel like the biggest accomplishment of her career. Oh my God. Rihanna, like, big up yourself, big up your sexy outfit, big up everything about you. And Mia Motley, Jesus, PM, the Bajan Prime Minister, Mia Motley. Like, honestly, I feel like anytime Mia Motley does something, I feel like the whole of Jamaica does look at Andrew Owen. It's like, You know what Mia Motley is like? You know, like when your mother meet your friend them and she find out so one of your friend them bright and she just always compare to them. Why you can't be like X and X? That is what Mia Motley is. It's like, Andrew can't do nothing good because in the back of my mind is like, we just look at him like, So you can't make Bob Marley national hero. So you see in Bolt in the conversation on Sparks page to like, I wonder say, when my name I get called up for things like this, you know, go wait until I pass on.
I'm so proud of you, Prime Minister Mia Motley. Thank you so much for honoring me in this way. I have traveled the world and received several awards and recognitions, but nothing compares to being recognized in the soil that you grew in. So I thank you so much for this.
But me also hear say Rihanna apparently a breed for ASAP Rocky.
Oh my God! Wow!
No, me did look pan her now, me did say, but me no want nothing cause you know say, you know, want to talk and the girl just eat cupcake at night time. But you know, me I hear that Rihanna might be pregnant with her first child. But let me know, burritos, are you happy for Rihanna in this moment? You better say yes. Sound off below. Number 9, my Dutch pot. Alright, so congratulations are in order for dancehall artist Shenseea. She recently posted to her social media that she's indeed nominated for 4 Grammy Awards because of her contribution to 3 different albums. One in particular is the Kanye West 2021 Donda album, and she was also featured on Major Lazer's album as well. Now, this is definitely putting Shenseea in the ranks of being the contender for, you know, the top artist of the year. She hasn't even released her debut album and she already has 4 Grammy nominations. No, what if people online know did I kind of side eye this and I say why she a jumping pan this and come like so she a try for rain pan Spice's parade, because you know so Spice, you know, is nominated in the Reggae Grammy category and for her album 10, and then all of a sudden Shenseea just pop out of her hibernation with this post, and a lot of persons felt that she was trying to overshadow Spice's accomplishment. I don't think so. And people did say how she nominated when all she do just sing one little something in the background and one little half-dead piece of verse. But every contribution based on the new Grammy rules is indeed putting her for that nomination because she is a part of that project. And so if you look, I think I think Sparks posted it on her page showing the rules for the Grammys, and it definitely listed that if you are a songwriter, if you contributed to the album vocally, a part of that project, then you also receive the nomination as well. But I mean, you know, Jamaican people, them not gonna look on it as a legit thing, but big up yourself, Shenseea, this is still a major accomplishment, and overall this year I think it's just very good for Jamaica, dancehall and reggae. I like the list of nominees. I think it's very diverse. You have dancehall representation there. You have female representation there. You have young, old school, young school. Nice blend. And I think it's just good for Jamaican music in general. But let me know, Barbados, do you think that, you know, the Shenseea nominations are really that legit? Do you think that she was actually trying to overshadow Spice? Sound off below.
Jamaican parents when you ask them for your birth certificate.
Number 8, police strike. My siren. Alright, so the other day, Barbados, several members of the police force rush out, you know, in front of the Supreme Court because they were waiting on the verdict for their overtime pay. They have a 40-hour work week, and they definitely were demanding that they get paid. And yeah, people, this is how it went.
If you have a paid criminals, we need the money. We need our money to feed our family so we can keep our integrity in place so Jamaican people can respect us some more. That's what we need. That's why we are here today. Fed up, we want ham for Christmas too. And if we don't get to Christmas, please give us a reasonable offer so we can take care of our family. We have children going to school as well, just like every other government pay persons. And we need our money. We fed up. We do a fed up. We do a fed up. What we do? Fed up. What we do? Fed up. We want money. We want money. That is all to us. That is all to us. We want money.
Okay, I mean, listen, from there, Jamaica, like, this is just something I know. The nurse them, the doctor them, the teachers them, JUTC, I don't know who left in Jamaica right now for protest. Like, every single group right now always about for them pay. Like, I wonder, who actually getting paid in Jamaica? Who I get paid rightfully? Who is getting paid on time? Because maybe them people, we need to find out who they are so we can go running at them profession there. Because clearly, every single government worker, every single entity always about for pay increase. Jamaica do something. This is a get out of hand now. But Barbados, what do you think of the police officers' plight? Number 7, TikTok request. My bachelor. Alright, Barbados. So, you know, some time ago I posted this video and I had it on the countdown quickie. And not the countdown quickie, I had it in the Dutty News. And it's this gentleman seeking a lady. He's seeking a partner, and he decided to put out a TikTok video to make that request. Take a listen.
I'm out there looking for someone, a lady, and the lady must have good self-esteem, good characters, and all of that, and we can work together. Somebody must willing to work, and we can negotiable on other stuff. So she could hook me up on TikTok or call me specifically. I'm looking somebody in my age group, not 16 or 18, somebody between 40 to 45. Okay, I'm available and I have good characters, good character skills, very working, very ambitious. So I will go for the flow.
You know what, honestly, I hope by now he's found that person. So if there's any burrito out there watching the social media countdown right now, and if you're interested, me don't know, find your way, me don't know, word of mouth, maybe it get through to him, and you know, by Christmas you can have this gentleman in your arms. But burritos, let me know, are you interested? Sound off below. Number 6, Beanie Man's new love. Misagaso. No, oh my God, no, Beanie Man, Jesus Pim, this brother does not waste any time. Is like him just as we Kartel say, as one gone and next one ban. So according to Buzz magazine, King of the Dancehall Beanie Man has apparently found love again. The dancehall veteran, who has been in the UK for some time touring and recording new music, took to Instagram to show off his new girlfriend to his more than 800,000 followers. He shared a photo of him embracing his girlfriend as the two pose in front of a Christmas tree.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camille. Happy birthday to you. Like,
yeah, good.
Oh wow, no man, like, I mean, I'll never say it's congratulations. It's like we're used to this. Beanie Man hops from woman to woman. Like him say him is a girl's them sugar, and he's definitely living his life according to that motto. So all you have to do is just for, you know, applaud him on a level, because if it's one thing with Beanie Man, he's going to be consistent with him dating. You know, it's like him just recycle, reuse, refresh. I just saw him go. And speaking of recycling and reusing, what I am hearing is that the girl that he's dating right now used to be somebody where Bounty Killer used to talk to back in the day.
I mean, is that allowed?
So now this look like say a two woman from Bounty Killer, we call it like catalog, Beanie Man is taking his pickings from. At the end of the day, I think is a really good thing, because that just shows that because they are kind of friends and bridgings, them have similar taste and good taste in women. So all you have to do is just to celebrate them and their pickings. Okay? But let me know, burritos, are you here for Beanie Man's new girlfriend? Are you here for it? Sound off below.
right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run club, sing along. Well then, big up your friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up Elaine Thompson here on winning the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year. Definitely a good look, awesome year. I'm just so happy for Elaine right about now. Alright, burritos, so I have to go and big up the It's Rational podcast with Kemar and his wife Diane. Now they are a young couple. They got married at the age of 21, been married for over 7 years, and they have a podcast that basically talks about how they navigate life through their love. So please to go and check out their podcast, burritos, on the usual sites. It's called It's Rational Podcast.
The date where we met, okay, because what happened is, and you'll learn along as we go along with this podcast, she friend zoned me for a whole year.
And finally, I just want to big up each and everyone who watches the countdown week after week. We're in the final month of the year, and you guys have been so supportive and so encouraging and so loyal. So I just want to say how much I appreciate you, and keep supporting. Have an awesome Christmas season.
Number 5, Jamaican Gom. Me. Alright, burritos. So recently I saw this video from Raw Blaze, the social media personality, and it basically described the different ways in which Jamaicans chew gum.
How different Jamaicans chew gum, part 1.
I am Tavii Zoey. 10 panty $10. Lady with the bingo don't want a panty for buy.
No, I really, really appreciated this video. You know, one of the things that I always appreciate the content creators is that they're able to give you a snapshot of Jamaican life, then break down certain parts of the culture that most of the times we're so busy to realize and to look at the intricate type of details. And so, Ral, this video was excellent. Big up yourself, man. Number 4, new dancehall group. Wow, my word, my sentence. So, Barbados. I know you're not going to believe me when I tell you that there's a dancehall group featuring the baddest and the best artists that you can envision right now. I am talking Tommy Lee, Kartel, Alkaline, Skeng, Skillibang, Governor. Just take a look.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea. The wind blew up her bird.
Alright, so, you know, it's a TikTok video, but honestly, this is so creative. If only the dancehall artists them could have come together like this and actually do a single together, it would have really be bad. But for a group like this, who you think I forgot be the leader? Kartel, of course, right? Right? Who will be the lead vocalist for the group? No Kartel? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Number 3, star couple. Me kiss kiss. Alright, so Barbados, this video I saw from the Jamaica Gleaner / the Jamaica Star, and they highlighted a couple. Now, this couple to some might seem a bit odd, but their love definitely is very much real. Take a look.
Why is she glowing like this? Our friendship is 7 years. Because we got married on our 6 years of friendship. And our first anniversary, which will be on our 7 years of friendship. And thanks God to PYC, it has drawn us even closer. She was the choir director at the time, and I was like
What is PYC?
Police Youth Club.
Okay.
And she was the choir director / first or second vice president at the time. And I could not sing to save my life, but because I want to get close to her, to know her, I joined the choral choir. Then and there now, I realized that the spark is really igniting like a fireworks on the 1st of January or the 4th of July.
No, and round of applause for them. Me love to hear stories like this. So have too much crime and violence and sometimes you just need like happiness and like love in your life so that this whole entire existence can have some meaning. No, you see the brother there like him wow, the attention to detail. No man, that kind of
It took me 25 seconds to persuade her to close her eyes. The time was approximately 4:57.
But him attention to detail, man, it not normal. It don't normal. The brother remember timestamp. He remember everything outfit wise, everything about the aroma, the atmosphere, the whole entire composition of the earth and the mantle and the core. Every single thing. No man, this is next level type of attention to detail that. All me hope say is that film woman don't ever own a money. Because
What got me was that he wasn't afraid to go anywhere with me and to own me. In public? Yes, in public. He wasn't afraid to hold my hand in public. He wasn't afraid.
But, you know, all in all, I'm really here for it. And oftentimes we see people who look a little bit different from us and we wonder, like, we kind of feel like, say, yo, them supposed to just live single and they don't deserve happiness. But we all deserve happiness despite how we look. Okay? So, Barbados, let's just all congratulate them and hopefully they'll have a happy marriage. Number 2, Arjay versus Tavii Zoey. Me prank couple. No, honestly, I didn't really want to talk about this story. Because we just can't bother. Too much left, right, up, down, north, east, south. Like too much curveball, roundabout, lane, every single thing. Like it's just too much. But, you know, some of you are probably interested or some of you probably want to find out what I want but never want to go through the whole rigmarole. So I have to be that person for you because of that I take up on myself. So let me jump into the story. Alright, so Arjay, he is a social media personality. He does videos, you know, little skits, comedic skits on Instagram and TikTok. And recently he has, you know, taken that to YouTube, starting to do videos, in particular prank videos with his friend / girlfriend. It's a really complicated thing called Tavii Zoey. Now, Tavii Zoey is a, you know, young upcoming YouTuber, but most of us really know her from her association to RJ, because I think that association is kind of what made them prominent in the space. And so that's the backstory.
Hey! What's up, guys? It's your girl Tavii Zoey back at you with another freaking video.
Tavii Zoey, she was doing a prank. She wanted to do a prank on RJ, so they were at the studio, and Tavii Zoey was there with her friend, another YouTuber called Chuck Star. Now, while they were at the studio, they decided to play a trick on RJ by pretending to flirt, like touching on each other and like stuff like that in front of RJ. Now, in the video, RJ get jealous and get up in them feelings. And he started to get angry and wanted to fight off Truckstar because he didn't like how he was mingling with his Tavii Zoey.
Yeah, up to extra.
Right now.
Calm down, RJ. What's your stop now, RJ?
Easy yourself, no video. I'm not in a video. I'm not in a video with the phone side Zoey.
So
hold on. Yo,
she belong to you,
dog. I belong to you, RJ. What's
Zoey. Yo, man, let go from me, dog.
Okay, then after that video, they started to do back and forth videos where Tavii Zoey is saying that RJ is not contacting her.
Yo, that's the only reason why I make this video, because you're not answering me. I want to see you. I could talk about this, RJ. Man, I mean for your show, I just want to see you. Like, I go fix this, please.
RJ put out film video saying never like what go on, him the kind of embarrassed and say how him kind of react to it, even though it's a prank thing.
Yeah, that's what basically I say. So I'm done with the YouTube pranks them zine, cause I realize say things are get blown out of proportion. People are going to them feelings for more than one occasion.
And in the mig like now, more back and forth video, you have Chuckstar jump in now at the film side of the story now. Then Roll is so easy, put in video, talk about the situation. Other YouTubers come in and talk about who get receipts and voice note from girl. It was just one drawn out piece of saga, and it is still going on. In the middle of that, RJ even released a music video because yeah, he's entering the music space as well. Then Tavii Zoey released a music video. All in all, I think this thing was just a whole entire success. Clearly, it was created, it was fabricated, but what I appreciated is the fact that they make other YouTubers eat a food in the entire drama, and that can be celebrated because, you have Truckstar over there, so Mr. Roll is so easy, Mr. Nate, and I think a couple others now, Spill Off now, 6K TV, everybody eat a food after the one drama, and so it's a win-win, and the views actually indicate that. When it comes down to social media life, I tell you, say two sort of people you have to kind of side eye or you trust them sometime, and that's a politician and YouTubers, because it sometimes get very blurred between reality and content. It's very blurred sometimes, and as content creators, oftentimes you try to go to the extreme to see how can you blur and blend the two worlds. And RJ, word is on the street is that RJ is a gal clown and all of them look at something there, and him weak to Tavii Zoey. And the only thing I would say, I would kind of caution him to not really play up on those vulnerabilities for likes, comments, and shares, because it's a dangerous territory that you enter, if you have actual feelings and you play up these things because it works well for content, at some point in time you can lose yourself and lose people, because with social media, everyone is here having them phone and trying to create moments and trying to move up the ranks in terms of popularity and relevance, and they're not being here realizing that you're actually dealing with real people. So that is what I'd say. Be very careful how you try to monetize parts of you that are very, very vulnerable. Okay, but that's all I have to say. Anyway, burritos, let me know what you think about this entire saga. Were you tuned into every single aspect of it, or you didn't care? Sound off below.
At the country boy again, it's Charlie, and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Oh,
and number one goes to Church Tongue. Alright, Barbados, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to church tongue. No, Jesus, Pim, I cannot believe this video I found floating around the place. No, somebody sent me this video on Church of Laughs, and I guess it showed a pastor talking to his deacon that I guess had something on his chest. And it was a heavy burden that he was bearing, and he had to offload in front of the congregation. And it had to be about a subject matter that I think Aishana would definitely be curious to hear. Take a listen.
Me get a longer tongue in my spirit. Sometimes how deep it get.
Hold on there, little. So you had a dream that the devil came and promoted you with a longer tongue.
Yeah.
That's what you say.
Tongue with skill. You can twist and turn.
Oh,
flip it.
Flip it, your tongue.
Yeah.
So I saw him promote you.
Right.
Glory to God.
Sometimes it reach a point where I just walk and all my tongue just move up and down in my mouth. I mean I do it.
By itself? Your tongue move by itself?
Yeah, tongue in my mouth just move.
Does it move by itself?
Yeah, by itself. I mean I flip up and down, I mean I do not. I mean I say, no man, I don't move my tongue. How it move? But me reach a stage where me just sometimes I just want to eat. I mean I want no penetration. If me get the eating alone, me alright.
Oh,
if you have the oral sex alone,
okay,
I'm fine. I don't have to penetrate on one. I just want to eat her, I'm good.
And just move.
Right.
Okay, so is it that you get an erection in your tongue?
Yeah. Tongue stiff, man.
No, honestly, you know, I don't even want to, I don't want to laugh. You know what? I appreciate the honesty from, so I appreciate his honesty. It's very bold. You can tell, say, like, all of that pain was on the tip of his tongue, and he had to just release it. I mean, Jesus, Pim. I mean, wow. I mean, listen. Me not even know where to go with this subject matter, but everybody has a passion, everybody has a hobby, and if that is that gentleman's hobby and stuff, like, I'm very glad that he was in a space that he could kind of share, and I do hope that he gets the healing or the sort of constructive advice that can help him to do better and to keep his mouth to himself. Boy, oh boy, I don't know if it's about the one you're bigger than me right about now, Barbados, but Barbados. What kind of advice or help would you give to this deacon? Please to sound off in the comments. Well, anyway, Barbados, we've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button, turn on the post notification, as well as to leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Now, you know, the usual, share as well, zine, and to subscribe, because I'm still trying to get to the 300,000 subscriber mark, so please to subscribe, tell a friend, get a family member to subscribe to the DuttyBerryShow channel. Now, once you've done that, if you want to follow me on my social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the countdown, just shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.